In this video, we've curated the ultimate outdoor essentials to make your space both functional and fabulous. Let's dive in. Next, the Grand Patio 3-piece patio set is your answer if you're looking for a charming, space-saving setup. This cute and compact set includes 2 elegant folding chairs and a bistro table, making it perfect for balconies, small patios, or that special garden nook. The powder-coated steel frame makes it rust-resistant, while the breathable fabric on the chairs keeps you cool even on warm days. Next, the light-shaped patio umbrella. This isn't just any umbrella, it's UV-resistant and windproof, thanks to its 3-tiered vented canopy, which keeps air circulating to prevent toppling in gusty weather. With a sturdy aluminum pole and fade-resistant fabric, this umbrella not only protects you from the sun, but also adds an instant touch of elegance to your outdoor space. Next, the Panapic 5-piece wicker patio set is a dream come true if you love lounging in style. Designed for ultimate comfort and flexibility, this set features thick, plush cushions and modular seating that lets you arrange it however you like. The hand-woven rattan makes it durable against the elements, while the included ottomans add extra comfort for those long spring and summer evenings. Next, the Jonathan Y 8x10 indoor-outdoor rug brings indoor comfort to your outdoor space. This rug is waterproof, stain-resistant, and super easy to clean. Whether placed under a dining set or as a standalone accent piece, its geometric patterns add a sophisticated touch. Plus, it's made for high-traffic areas, so whether it's kids, pets, or party guests, this rug can handle it all. Next, the Christopher Knight Home Lilac Outdoor Side Table is a must-have if you need a statement piece to refresh your patio. With vibrant color options and an intricate lattice design, this sturdy iron table is both decorative and practical. It's weather-resistant and just the right size for holding a book, a drink, or a cute planter. And finally, the JMG BIRD outdoor pillows bring the perfect mix of style and comfort for your outdoor oasis. These pillows are UV-resistant, water-repellent, and fade-proof, meaning they'll stay vibrant and plush all season long. Whether you love bold patterns or neutral tones, they add the effortless, inviting touch to any seating area. And there you have it. 7 must-have outdoor pieces that will turn any space into a stylish and relaxing paradise. Just in time for spring 2025. See the description for links for each product. Thanks for watching.